Hey guys, I'm Lydia. I'm an undergraduate student taking Creative and Cultural Industries Art Direction, and I'm from Indonesia. Today, I'll be sharing with you guys a little bit about myself and also the reasons behind my university-related decisions. I chose the UK for my place of study because I knew that the UK was a global leader in the creative industries and also because they provide high-quality education for art subjects. The reason why I chose Kingston for the university is because the course that I chose had everything covered. It had everything that I wanted to learn in order to be a creative director slash art director in the future. And also the community there is, they care a lot about your well-being and growth, and it's also really inclusive. So I just knew that Kingston was a place that I would want to advocate for. What I love about my course is that we get a lot of opportunities to work on live briefs with real companies, and we get to work alongside course mates on a student-led creative agency called Studio KT1. I also get to experiment with the different workshops they have there, which is really extensive, and I'm not there yet. So once I get there, I'm going to try my best to make use of everything. I want to do things like melt plastics, play around with ceramics, and print 3D objects. What I'm looking forward to the most while studying at Kingston is probably creating a lot of things using the workshops. Not only for the projects that are assigned to me, but also just for fun because we're allowed to do that. And also I'm really looking forward to finally meeting my course mates whom I've been working alongside with online for almost 2 months now. For the things that I would like to do outside of the university while living in the UK, I'm really looking forward to being inspired by the museums and the exhibitions that they have there, like the Tate Modern and the V&A. I'm really looking forward to exploring the city and trying out all the new different foods and meeting both new and old friends. Also, if COVID were to die down soon, which we all hope it does, I'm really looking forward to watching plays, musicals, concerts, and any other live event that the UK has to offer. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all take care and stay safe.